evening, welcome back to the channel, welcome on tours, hope everyone's doing well. We've taken a little impromptu trip to Albufeira, peak summer, let's see Wagwan. This is the strip, 12 o'clock, New Town. So the last time we were here was back in April, and we want to see if the prices have changed. Is this the busiest place in Europe to come if you want a good night out, you want a good strip and somewhere to party? We were just in Rhodes, we've done Zani, how does Albufeira? So you got Route 66. This one is always busy, always busy. And then as you go along, you're going to have Matt's Bar, and you've got a rooftop one right at the top there. As you can see, you've got people up there now. And this is about 12 o'clock. This one's also quite busy, Cooper's, a bit quiet now. And then you've got Matt's Bar. So this is the top end of New Town Strip. There's also Old Town as well, but we're staying in New Town. We'll show you this side first. You've got La Bamba, Reno's, bit quiet in there. Mambo. This one's quite new, this opened up in April. It's a lot busier than we came on the last time. For us, this is always the best place to come if you want somewhere that is lively in the streets as well as in the bars. When we went to Rhodes last week, we did Falaraki, we did Rhodes City, and it was busy, but it wasn't like this. So if you are, I would say, looking for a good night out, this is the best place to come, in my opinion, this side of Europe. For variety and just to make sure that you've got a lot to do in different clubs and bars. The strip goes all the way to the top, and it goes also round to the side. We'll take a little look round there as well. So you've got Club Universe. So sorry, that's the new one that opened in April, not the Mambo. Yeah. So it looks really busy in there. And then you've got on the corner the LYV. Yeah, that's brand new. That wasn't there when we came. So if you look at our videos from when we was here at the beginning of the season, this one wasn't here. So LYV. Do you have a quick look inside?
Nothing going on.
Right, let's go around this side then. Yeah, so you got, that's new, jam, bar and food. Is it new? Yeah, that is new, isn't it? Yeah, that's a new one as well. So this club's always been here. This one's usually busy later, so we're going to come back out at around 2 o'clock just to show you how busy it is later on tonight. This is usually when that one gets a little bit more rammed. Again, it's just gone 12, so it's still sort of early on. So this one is Green Bar. And this one's always quite busy. And then further along, you've got the beer bar. Hey. So yeah, this one's really busy. We haven't actually ever been in this one. Comment below if you have been to this one. So we're only here for a couple of days. This was a really impromptu holiday. We're just doing literally like 38 hours in Albufeira, peak season, just to show the Wagwan family, is it worth coming to Albufeira if you're looking for somewhere that's got the hustle and bustle and a really good nightlife. So we've got a new bar on the corner. Right, let's just get around the corner. So we're going to head up to the shopping strip. We'll see what's open, what's new, and what you can expect if you're coming here this summer. So we've got Simply. We stayed above this one last time we came. If you've seen that footage, that's the beginning of the season. So if you check that out, you will see the difference. That's Simply. This always has really cheap drinks. So if you're looking for a bargain, I recommend going there. And that's the kebab shop, cocktails and drinks. Got Zoo Club. Is that new as well? Yeah, that's brand new. That was the Zoo Club last time. So another new addition to the strip. Looks nice and busy in there. Got the Dublin on the corner, can't go wrong with an Irish bar, and then Club Route 66. Got beer music, and then another great one is Legends, always a great night in Legends. Go and take a look. Can't find things. Got a trendy bar, looks like that one's closed tonight. Got another sports bar, always busy. Temple. Always busy in Temple Bar. Got a little cricket. Got Albatross. Got a frozen cocktail bar. Always good if you're on your frozen cocktails. As you guys can see, it's really, really busy. The streets and everything are absolutely rammed. Got Nico's karaoke. Got the jungle on the left. So we're just reaching the top now, and this is where you got a few more like restaurants. Got Doris there, got the tavern, got your medics, got everything you need. Got a few more like karaoke bars and pubs up this end, so let's go and check out how busy they are. So you got the Ancora on the corner. That one's usually, like I said, it's a bit more of like a pub bar, and it's got like karaoke and everything. So we are coming to like the top